So I'm Josephine B. Cabardo from BSIT 2A. So this is my password. I mean ATM machine password. Click new, file new, and then project, Java project. Next, let's say ATM. Finish. Click this, click this. Because I already made one before. Click this, then delete. Click this, other, reframe next, hit it up, finish. And then I already have a code. So this is the word. Let's copy this. Control C. Then Control V. Then as you can guys see here, this is the password 012345. So let's run. Okay. Let's try wrong password. Okay. So access will be denied. Okay, next. Let's try the real password. 012345. Okay. So the balance in here is actually 1000. So let's see. Let's try 20. 2020. Let's see. Withdraw. Insufficient funds. Okay, that's the right thing. Let's try 100. Deposit. See. Good. So yeah, this is my project. Thank you.